Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will show you step by step how to check login activity. Where to see last login activity. Open Gmail, scroll down. In the bottom right, you can see a small line called last login activity. Click details. You can see all the recent activity present there. If you see any entries you don't recognize, then that is the red flag. For more details, visit security checkup. Under the security checkup, you can see review all the options. Also, you can validate your login devices and remove all unwanted devices. You can click in this way, you can sign out all the devices you don't want. Click on those. If you find this video helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.